Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rumela. Since lockdown 2 has been imposed, I'm hoping and praying that you guys are all doing well and staying safe at home. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys 5 quick and easy Sehri recipes that you can literally whip up in 5 minutes. Because nobody has a lot of time early in the morning to make like elaborate meals or anything, so these recipes come in really handy. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first recipe I have here is TikTok Tortilla Wrap. This one has been very viral on TikTok since a few days. So these are all the ingredients you'll need: a roti or tortilla, eggs, veggies, and some sauces. You can use whatever sauces you like, and all you got to do is break in your egg and then add whatever seasonings you like. I'm just adding in some salt and pepper. I am also going to add this Maggi syrup. I don't know how it's pronounced. These all-in-one granules. It has a very nice cheesy chicken flavor. You can use whatever seasonings you like, and then I'm just going to scramble the egg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat the pan really well and then add in some butter, and once the butter is really nice and hot, I'm just going to pour in the egg and then switch the flame off. This method will give you the perfect creamy scrambled eggs. If you are someone who does not like overcooked eggs, then this is the method that you can use to make perfectly creamy scrambled eggs. This is something that I absolutely love. And then you just have to assemble your tortilla. So I'm just going to make a slit in the roti and then add in the scrambled eggs on 1/4 part. Then on the next 1/4 part, I'm going to add this Southwest Chipotle sauce from Viva. This is something that I absolutely love. It has a very nice smoky flavor. You can add whatever sauces you like, and then add in your veggies. Again, adding lettuce, gives a really nice crunch to this tortilla. So if you have that in hand, definitely add it. I did not have it, so I did not add it, and that is it. A very easy tortilla is ready. This particular meal will keep you full for a longer period of time since it has eggs and veggies and roti and everything. The next one is my favorite. It is the meaty sunny side up toast. All you're going to need is a slice of bread, an egg, some meat. You can use chicken as well, and whatever sauces you like. I have pizza sauce and cheese. So I'm just going to break in an egg. Now I tried one attempt and the yolk broke, so this is my second attempt. So that's why you guys can see oil in the pan already. Also, I used olive oil for this one because it really goes with the pizza sauce and everything. So I'm just going to spread my cheese spread. You can use a slice of cheese as well, but I really like the flavor of this one. It is in the variant spicy garlic. And then I'm going to add the pasta pizza sauce from Viva. Again, I really love Viva sauces, and I highly recommend you guys trying out the Viva sauces. And then I'm going to add in my meat. You can also add chicken, but since I had meat that day, I'm just going to add meat. And then I added in the egg and also sprinkled some pepper and salt. So that is it. This is again a very delicious easy meal that you can try. This next one is a mango chia seed pudding. You can definitely substitute the mangoes for any fruit of your choice, but this one requires a little bit of prep. So I've taken 1 cup of milk here, and I'm going to add in 4 teaspoons of chia seeds to it. You can add less or more depending on the consistency, but I like it to be just in between, not too thick, not too thin. And then you gotta keep it in the fridge for a few hours. And then these are the ingredients that you need: some chia seeds, some mangoes, some mango puree, and almond butter. So I'm just going to take mango puree or whatever fruit puree that you like, and then add in the chia seed mixture that you kept in the fridge. Now a small tip here is that keeping your chia seed mixture in the fridge overnight will ensure that it's really thick and creamy, but mine wasn't as creamy because I kept it for just 5 hours. So I'm just adding in a little bit of puree, a little bit of pudding, and then mixing and swirling to get this gorgeous looking pudding. Look how beautiful it looks. and then I'm going to add in some fresh mango chunks to give this pudding a really nice texture. And last but not the least, I'm going to also drizzle some almond butter. This one from Butternut Co is my favorite. I also like to make homemade almond butter, but since I had this, I'm just going to use this. And here you have your chia seed pudding ready in 5 minutes. You can make this the night earlier and keep it in the fridge and directly enjoy it for Sehri as well. And this next recipe that I have is a very easy meal. Again, it is strawberry oatmeal. So I'm just going to take some oats, peanut butter, I have strawberry compote, and then some bananas, some water and milk powder. You can make this in milk as well, but I really like the flavor of milk powder. So I'm just going to add some water to my pan and then adding in the oats, and I'm going to cook them until they become really nice and creamy. I like, really nice creamy oats, but if you like watery oats, then cook them just a little bit. I cook them for a little longer so that it's really nice and thick. And one tip is to eat this one warm as soon as you make it. And then I'm adding in a little bit of salt for flavor. It really brings out all the flavors. And then I am going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk powder. If you make this in milk, obviously you do not need to add milk powder. You can even use coconut milk powder, and that brings a really delicious flavor to the oatmeal. And then I'm going to add in the strawberry compote. Again, this is something that I already had. You can definitely make this ahead and keep it in the fridge to use it whenever you like. It does go well with a lot of dishes. And then I have some sliced bananas that I'm going to top this oatmeal with, and then some cashews. You can use whatever nuts you have, almonds, pistachios, whatever nuts. And then I'm going to sprinkle some chia seeds, and I'm going to drizzle some peanut butter over this one. You can use any nut butter of your choice. I really like peanut butter and almond butter, so I use those on a regular basis. And the strawberry oatmeal is ready. This is really nice and warm, yet it is not a savory dish. So someone who prefers sweet and warm, this is the perfect recipe for you. Again, this will keep you full for a really long time because it is oats, and oats does keep you full for a really long time. So with that, we come to an end to today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button down below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope that you guys try these recipes out if you're fasting, if you're not fasting. These recipes are really great. So definitely try these recipes out and let me know in the comments down below if you liked it, and if you have any suggestions to improve any of these and all of that. Let me know everything in the comments down below. And yeah, that is it. That's all I had for today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.